Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your profile with Pinterest, full guide step by step clearly. To reset your profile on Pinterest, start by opening the Pinterest app or visiting the Pinterest website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. In your profile, look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on the settings icon to access your account settings. In the settings menu, scroll down to find the option labeled Account Settings. Click on Account Settings to view and edit your profile information. To reset your profile information, you can update your name, bio, and profile picture. Clear any old or unwanted information by clicking the Edit button next to each section. After updating your profile information, you can also manage your boards. Navigate to the Boards section of your profile. To delete a board, simply select the board you wish to remove. Click the three dots on the board and choose the option to delete it. If you want to make your account private, go back to the Settings menu. Locate the section titled Privacy and Data. Toggle the option to make your account private. After making all necessary changes, scroll to the bottom of the settings page. Click on the Done button to save your changes. To confirm that your profile has been reset, revisit your profile page. Check that all the updates you made are reflected accurately. Explore your updated profile and make sure it reflects your current interests. Remember that changes can take a few moments to appear. Feel free to make additional adjustments if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.